Yes, hello guys, hello everyone. So today here we'll be learning how to trade jump index, which is an index offered by a Deriv broker, which is a recommended broker for you to trade different types of index, which include volatility index, jump index, boom and crash, step index, and also bear and bull markets, which are arranged breaks, guys. So if you do not have an account for you to trade jump index, click the link on the video description below and it will direct you to Deriv broker, where you will be able to create your account for you to trade jump index and also other type of index, which include volatility index, jump index, boom and crash, and also step index, and not forget range and breaks, which are bull and bear markets, guys. So today here we'll be looking for liquidity areas, guys. So on this strategy, what you need to understand first, guys, is liquidity areas, where the liquidity is lying within our time frame or in a chart, which time frame we are trading currently. Will be able to identify where the liquidity is lying, guys, as you can see. So how to identify liquidity areas, guys? The first thing you need to do is to you can zoom your chart, as you can see. I do my chart here, but I minimize my candlestick, as you can see here, guys. So I will first let me insert the rectangle here, guys. As you can see, I will need to identify where the price was hitting and pull back, and where the price hit and break that level. Okay, guys, why I need to understand these levels? Because as you can see here, if I draw a line, let me draw a trend line here, guys. As you can see, I draw a trend line here, as you can see, guys. So if I draw a trend line here, this is my trend line, and why I have to draw this trend line on my time frame here, as you can see, I've seen the market was moving in a bullish trend, as you can see, but it was having a lot of rejection. As you can see, it rejected here, but it didn't touch our trend line. It rejected here and it didn't touch our trend line, guys, as you can see. But we do not need to force our trend line to touch our price where it pull back or where it is rejected, guys. We need to draw a trend line which can be reasonable for us to understand how the price is reacting within our time frame, guys. As you can see, there is a lot of areas here. As you can see here, price move and break it. As you can see, it break and it pull back, as you can see, to continue the trend line, guys. So also here it break our trend line. As you can see, it break here, it break here. Here there was a break, but the price was accumulating, guys. As you can see here, this was a stop hunt within accumulation in a trend. As you can see, our trend line was in a bullish trend, but it break, it accumulated a lot. The accumulation was taking place within our area of stop loss hunt, guys. As you can see, if we are trading pullbacks, guys, this was accumulation here. Let me zoom in. This is an accumulation, as you can see here. It break and it accumulated liquidity and continue with its trend, okay, until it reach a point where it need to move into a bearish trend, as you can see, guys. So why we need to understand these levels? We need to understand these levels because if we are trading pullbacks, we'll be using our trend line, as you can see. If we are trading breakout, we'll also be using our trend line, as you can see. For example, here by using our trend line, the price break that level. Okay, it break and move into a bearish, okay, move into a bearish trend, as you can see guys here. Let me show you the, as you can see here, this is jump index guys, and you need to understand that while trading jump index, the price may spike in both direction, unlike boom and crash index, which prices spike in a constant direction guys. For example, if you are trading crash, it will be spiking in a bearish, and if you are trading boom, it will spike in a bullish. Okay guys, as you can see here, this is our jump index. Here to break our trend line. Okay, as you can see, it's break our trend line. Okay, this was our trend line, it break it. Okay, break it, and also it continues its direction for moving with a bullish trend guys. So how are we going to utilize these levels in a trend line for us to understand where the price will pull back, or where the price will reverse, or where the price will break? Okay, so the first thing you need to do in your meta trading application is to enable period separator. Okay, in your chart, you will click here and go into properties. You can simply click F8 and show period separators. As you can see here, if I enable my period separators, it will separate my price in different days. Okay, as you can see here, okay, this is my period separators, this dotted lines which are seen on my chart here. These are my period separators, and within one separation it is a day. Okay, it will present a day. If you will be trading in a day time frame, this is within our 15 minutes one separation. Here it will present 1 day time frame. So we need to enable this on our meta trading application, as you can see. So why we enable this on our meta trading application? We enabled this in order for us to see how the price was reacting. Sorry guys, let me connect my power. Yes, I have my power connected here guys, so let's continue. After separating our chart in a period separation, which is available on our meta trading application, as you can see, I've described it before. This will enable us to see the daily high and the low within a chart in our time frame guys, as you can see here. So if it means set the rectangle here guys, okay, let me set an object here which is a rectangle. Okay, for example, in this day, if I do this, as you can see, this was the highest peak of the day. As you can see, it was 3rd December 2021 guys. Okay, as you can see, this was the highest peak of the day on my time frame on that day guys, as I have to do here. But by using this period separator, it enabled me to see where is a day high or day low. Okay, here this was the lowest, okay, lowest of the day, okay, on 5th December guys, 2021 guys, as you can see. So in any separated period on your chart, you can be able to identify which was the highest and which was the lowest peak formation of the day. So we'll be also using these levels in order to understand how price is reacting in a day. So with our strategy, how are we going to utilize this? For example, we have a rectangle here on our, this was the 5th December, as you can see here. Okay, here guys, here this was 5th December. Okay, if I extend this to my previous day here, okay, let me extend this to my previous day. Okay, let me extend up to this. Okay, if I extend it up to this, you can see how price was reacting in both period of time. Okay, for example, within these 2 days, after the price was moving in a bullish trend within this day, which was 3rd December, okay, the price was moving in a bullish trend until it reverse in a, it was moving in a bearish direction until it reversed into a bullish direction here. As you can see, this was the lowest of the day. Let me also insert set a rectangle here. Okay, this was the lowest of the day, as you can see guys. So the price rejected here, okay, and move in a bullish trend. Okay, but in here, let me zoom out. Okay, in here, as you can see, in here, from our daily high of 5th December guys, as you can see, this was daily low of the day in 5th December, as you can see, 2021. But I extended this daily low into other period, into previous period of a week. As you can see in here, the price was bouncing here. It bounced, it break this level. Okay, this, for us to understand how price is reacting, you can be able to identify this as a, this was a stop hunt. Okay guys, because it break this order block here, as you can see, and move into a bearish trend until it rejected and continues its bullish trend, as you can see guys. So in 5th December, as you can see here guys, this was the lowest of the day, and also we need to extend this into, okay, into our present day. As you can see here, it is 6th December guys, as you can see. And also I will extend my order block here, which is this one. I will extend it. Yeah guys, I will extend it. I will extend it to this level. As you can see, I extended this level of price here, and as you can see here, let me zoom out my chart, and okay, as you can see here guys, as you can see here how the price is reacting. This is our present day guys. So how are we going to kill it?